Midnight swallowed the village as Ethan crept into the abandoned bell tower. Its door, always sealed, hung open tonight. Dust choked the air. He climbed the spiral stairs, drawn by a compulsion he couldn't name. At the top, the ancient bell loomed, untouched for decades. Ethan reached out, fingertips brushing cold metal. The bell tolled, shattering the silence. Below, every window in the village flared with candlelight. Faces pressed against the glass, grinning, eyes hollow. Ethan's body locked in place, his heartbeat syncing with the bell's dying echo. The door slammed. He was part of the tower now,